Welcome to DTV Studios. Today, we take you on an unforgettable journey to one of the most beautiful islands on earth. An island filled with ancient kingdoms, breathtaking landscapes, incredible wildlife, and a culture that stretches back thousands of years. Welcome to Sri Lanka, the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Located in the Indian Ocean, just south of India, Sri Lanka may appear to be a small island. But within this tropical paradise lies extraordinary diversity. Golden beaches stretch for miles. Misty mountains rise above emerald tea fields. Dense jungles hide rare and beautiful wildlife. And ancient cities whisper stories from over 2,500 years ago. Sri Lanka is more than just a destination. It is a living story of history, nature, resilience, and tradition. Sri Lanka's history dates back over 2 millennia. The island was once home to powerful kingdoms and brilliant kings and advanced civilizations. Ancient cities such as Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa became centers of culture, engineering, and religion. Perhaps the most iconic landmark of all is Sigiriya, rising nearly 200 meters above the forests below. This ancient rock fortress remains one of the greatest engineering marvels of the ancient world. Built by King Kashyapa in the 5th century, Sigiriya still fascinates historians and travelers alike. Sri Lanka is home to a rich and vibrant culture shaped by centuries of tradition. The island is known for its warm hospitality, where visitors are often welcomed with a smile and a simple word, Ayubowan, meaning may you live long. Religion plays an important role in everyday life. Buddhist temples, Hindu kavils, mosques, and churches stand together across the island, reflecting Sri Lanka's cultural diversity. And then there's the food. Spicy curries, fresh seafood, coconut-infused flavors. Sri Lankan cuisine offers an unforgettable taste of the island. Sri Lanka is more than just an island. It is a land of stories, a land of beauty, a land where history, culture, and nature exist in harmony. And for those who visit, Sri Lanka is not simply seen, it is experienced. Thank you for watching. This is DTV Studios. Ayubowan to you all.